Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to transfer money from USAA to Cash App. So transferring money from USAA to your Cash App account is actually pretty easy. You just need to follow the steps that we'll be showing you. Now, the first thing that you have to do here is you want to update your Cash App application so that you have the latest version of the application itself. Now, once you updated your application, you need to open up the Cash App application itself. And from your home screen, you need to look for your profile icon, which is located at the top right of your screen. Now, once you selected your profile icon, you'll be given the option to click on Link Banks, wherein we'll be able to link our bank. Now, from there, you just need to click on Link Bank, and you just need to follow the prompts. So in this UI, you need to search for USAA, and once you click on USAA, you will be able to log into your account for USAA, and from there, you just need to complete the sign up process and the login process, and you are now connected to your Cash App application. So since you connected your account for USAA to Cash App, the next thing you want to do is you want to cash in. Now, to cash in your Cash App application is you first want to go back to your main home screen, and from there you just need to go to the Money tab, which is located at the bottom section of your screen. Now, once you click that, you'll have the option, or you'll see the Add Cash button there, and just click on that. Now, from here, you need to enter the amount that you want to cash in, and once you're satisfied, you just need to click on the Add button that you see on your screen. Now, once you've done that, it's going to ask for a Touch ID, or you need to enter your PIN for the confirmation of the transaction, and from there, you just need to wait for your cash to arrive into your Cash App application or in your account, and you are good. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.